Hey, hi guys. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Good. Remember I said that we were going to have only 3 sessions? Remember I said that from the beginning? Okay. So this is going to be our last session. And today I kind of want to talk about all of the stuff that we discussed during the time we had together, okay? And then after that we can do some activities. I want you guys to tell me and show me that you actually did learn something in our time together. All right? So first I want you to tell me what you remember from our session. So tell me what you learned.
Bullying?
Okay, what about it? Tell me about it.
How to stop it.
What was that?
How to stop it.
Okay,
how to stop the stuff.
Okay, so how will you?
Someone's bothering you.
Okay, so then what have you guys learned? How will you stop it if you see it?
Tell teacher. Stop. To the one that's fighting. The one that the kid that's bullying the other kid. Tell him to just walk away.
Yeah. So that's a good point. Vanessa made a good point. Allison made a good point about the strategy we thought of that's called stop, talk, and walk, which means what, Allison? Can you speak loudly, please, so everybody can hear you.
It means like to stop and tell the bully to tell them to stop bullying them, and then just walk away.
Yeah. So you stop, you talk to them. Maybe you can tell them what you think they're doing wrong or why you think it's wrong, and then you walk away. It's important to never let a friend or someone that you know, even if they're not your friend, to be the person who just lets it happen, right? Remember we talked about that too? Don't ever let it be you be the person that allows another kid in your school be bullied, right? And that's really important because I know that you guys wouldn't want that to happen to you, and if you were in that situation, you would want someone to help you, right? Okay, what else? Is there anything else? What else did you guys learn? Or what are you going to take away from our time together? Is that it? Is that what you guys can think of right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're going to do next is I have a sheet here that says, Vanessa, can you read it out loud for me?
I can stop bullying at my school by.
Okay. So we're going to put what we learned on paper so that I know that you guys did learn something and that you're actually going to go use it out at school when you're out at school to help your friends and to stop bullying, okay? So I want everybody to quickly write down what you've learned. Thank you. Write down on the paper what you've learned. So it could be some of the stuff that we learned, like make sure you put your name on the top so I know whose it is. And it can be anything from the stop, talk, and walk that we talked about, or who you're going to tell when you do see it happen, how you're actually going to make it stop happening. Anything you can think of, and you guys can have about a minute or two or so to fill that out.
Can I write 2 things down?
Sure. Remember that I would like for you guys to share it with everybody, okay? know when someone's done, and then whoever is done first can. Whoever is done first can share. Elsa, do you want to go first? Okay, go ahead. Speak loudly so everybody can hear you, okay?
I said I can stop bullying at my school by telling them that this is not good what you're doing. It might hurt my family.
Okay. So are you talking about yourself, or are you talking about telling this to someone else, so a friend that it's happening to a friend?
So I tell the bully that this is not good what they're doing.
Okay. So did everybody hear that? Allison shared that she would tell the bully that's not good what they're doing. She wouldn't stand around and let it happen, but you'd say something, correct? That's what you're saying? Okay, yeah, very good. And that's one of the things we talked about, right, guys? Of not being the person that allows it to happen, that you actually help out a friend at school. Okay, who wants to go next? Vanessa or Victor? Who's next? Okay.
I said I can stop bullying at my school by telling the teacher and by telling the bully to stop. Also, you can tell someone you know.
Good. Very good. I like that. So who is someone that you know? Who would you tell?
Like your friend.
Okay. So telling somebody that you know. Very good. And those are the main things that we talked about in our group, right? Okay, Victor? What do you have?
I can stop bullying at my school by telling the teacher and to never get in those situations.
Very good. Good job. So you never want to put yourself in the situation where anything bad happens, right? So if you do, though, that's why there's...
And you can help the kids, like, if they don't know about the stop and...
Very good. So you would share with your friends what you've learned here. You would tell your friends about the stop, talk, and walk method that we thought of, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So these are all very good, and I'm so proud of you guys for writing all down what you think, and I really do hope that that all the things that we've learned, that you guys will be able to use it out so in school. Okay? I want you to be able to feel comfortable with that, and anytime that you need or have questions about something, or you're in the situation where you are being bullied or someone that you know, just know that I am always available to talk to you guys about it, or to help you out in these bad situations. And then maybe you and I together can come up with an idea on how to stop it if you've tried all the things that you've learned in our group and it's still not working. Okay, guys? So the last thing that I want to do, very good work, by the way. I'm very proud of you all. The last thing that I want to do, so usually what I do after I have a group like this on either a topic like bullying or different topics, I give my students a survey, which is called My Group Experience, okay? And I want you all to fill this out so that I can learn from you guys as well. So you guys have learned from me, it looks like. So I want to be able to learn from you and how to make my group sessions better for my kids in the future, so for my students. So I'm going to hand you guys all one of these, and once we leave, you can either fill it out here or you can take it home and bring it back to me another day. So maybe if you do have it done by tomorrow, you can drop it off in my office. Or if you guys want to fill it out here, that's fine too. Do you guys have any questions before we end? Yeah, you guys can draw a picture of bullying.
Someone bullying.
Yeah, or maybe something like you guys telling the teacher, so you can relate it to what you wrote. Whatever you guys want to do. Any questions? Anything else before we end for our very last session today? No? Okay. So you guys finish those up, and then once you're done, I will have you fill out your survey, okay? Is that okay with everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you, guys.